Okay, so what's going on, guys? I'm back with you with another video. In today's episode, we are going to be talking about a platform called Up4ever.org. Up4ever.org is actually a platform that allows you to host your content and share it with your friends or family or anybody out there, and on top of that you also leverage that to actually make money online. So how does it actually website works? I made a video a while back about it and I talked about a little bit about the website, but inside this video I decided to actually go in depth about how you can literally leverage everything, every opportunity regarding these particular platforms, because you need to actually host content. So even if you are brand new, you don't have anything to share online, I'm gonna show you exactly how you can find something that people actually are in need of, and you can literally upload it to this particular website and of course share it with those people, and on top of that you make money online. So if that sounds something that you are interested in, be sure to stick with me to the end of this very video. So without much further ado, let's dive into the video. Alright guys, just before we continue, if this is your first time coming across this channel, in this channel I talked about how to make money online with affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, freelancing tips and tricks. If you think these are topics that you are interested in, be sure to click that subscribe button, tick the bell notification on so that you can get notified whenever I release a brand new strategy just like this one. With that, you're going to be the first person to actually use the strategy and of course make the most amount of money. With that being said, let's jump right into the video. Alright guys, like I said, the platform that we are going to be talking about in today's episode is called Up4ever.org. So like I said, it's a platform that allows you to host your content and of course share it, and on top of that you leverage this platform and make money off from doing that. So how this platform actually works? It works like this. You host your files, your whatever you have on this particular platform, you host it. Whenever you host it, anything you upload to this particular platform has a link. So that link, that's the link that you are going to be sharing with people. So people, whenever they want to download that content of yours, they have to actually come to this particular platform, where this platform for example, there's a file I upload, as you can see, is a video. So for somebody to download this video, as you can see, this is where they actually make their own money through AdSense, because these are potential ads that somebody may actually find interest in or eventually click on it. So once he click on it, they get paid, and of course that's how they generate their own money. So I hope you actually have an insight of what the platform is all about. So check this out guys. In order to actually make started, and I know a lot of you may be asking, is it worth actually paying attention to? Well, if you actually like this kind of small micro tags, then definitely it's worth trying. Take a look at this. This on 21st of September 21, as you can see, this person actually cash out $2, this one $16, this one $1, this one $1, $17, $3. So that's how it goes on and on and on. So you literally get paid depending on the amount you actually were able to generate with the platform. So that's actually how it works. So in order to actually get started guys, all you have to do is to click up the sign up button right here. So once you click on that, it will take you exactly to your page where you can literally register with the platform. So I've already registered. Let me just log into my account so that I can show you a practical example of how you can leverage this particular platform. So check this out guys. So this is my account right here. I have my account, my file, my reporting, everything guys. So check this out guys. In order to actually upload a file, all you have to do is to hover your mouse to where it says upload a file. So click on that. Once you click on that, it will take you to some warning. As you can see, it says important, prohibit upload of this. As you can see, I don't want to read this word. So this word files for this adult violation, this and that, also not working. So make sure you don't upload this kind of content to their platform, because they will not allow you, they will remove you. So that's actually that. So once you are ready to upload a file, you just click on choose a file. Like I said from the beginning of this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly where you can find files that you will upload to this particular platform. So in order to actually find files or video or software or anything you think people are interested in, then all you have to do is to come to this website called idplr.com. So idplr.com is a website that actually have that you can find a free content to download and use for yourself. Some even have a giveaway right, some have license right. So that's the beauty part of this particular platform. So as you can see, I came to this particular platform, I search on web weight loss. So when I search on weight loss, these are a bunch of ebooks that literally I can download them, recipes. These are all, some of them are video courses, like this one keto diet, this one ketogenic diet, this one video, this one that, this one that. So check this out guys, these are all free ebooks that I can literally download and start and upload it back to up4ever.org and start sharing with other people. So check this out guys. For example, I want to use this one, intermittent fasting formula. So click on it. Once you click on it, it will show you all the detail regarding this particular product. And one beauty part of this website is that you can sort it based on the, instead of going one after the other. So as you can see, this file actually have a file weight of 46 MB. So you want to make sure, so as you can see, they say product terms can be sold, can be used for personal use, can be packaged with other product, can be modified. Yes, so as you can see, you can literally give it away for other people. I think yes, it has a giveaway right, license right, and giveaway right. So you can literally come here, download this ebook and use it as a giveaway. So all you need to do is to click on download and download this file. Once you download it, you need to go back to your Up4ever.org account and upload it. So click on upload. Once you click on upload, it will take you directly to your computer where you can upload a particular ebook. Once you upload it guys, the next thing to do is to grab the link of that particular file, of course. So check this out. This is a file I actually upload, which is a video, just 2 seconds of video. So I upload it. So this is the file, this is the link right here. So as you can see, they say download link, code for forums, HTML code, delete link, short link. So for example, you want to shorten it to look more nicer, then this is the code you are going to be using. So, or if you have a website, you want to upload it, maybe it's an ebook and you want to upload it maybe in the front homepage of your website, then you can literally copy this HTML code and go and upload it to your website homepage. So that's actually how it works. So now check this out guys, all you have to do is to click on this one. Once you click on it, you copy, then this is now you start, this is what you'll be sharing with other people. So once people download your ebook, then you get a pay for it. So check this out guys. For example, if you want to check how much you can get a pay for it, if you come down to this particular website, click on make money. So once you click on make money, it will show you all the tier aspect. So check this out. For people from tier 1 country, whenever you have a 1,000 download from people from tier 1 country, you get paid $7. So check this out guys. Tier 2 you get paid $4, tier 3 you get paid $4, and tier 4 you get paid $3. So it doesn't matter, because the traffic source that we are going to be using will be coming from different locations around the world. So it doesn't matter, it's just that we need traffic to our link. So in order to actually get traffic, the next thing to do, of course guys, before we continue, if you are getting value from this video, all I ask from you is to drop a like to this video, leave a thumbs up of course, and subscribe to the channel, because I'm posting daily make money online strategies on this channel. With that being said, let's move on with the video. So check this out guys. In order to actually get eyeballs to your link, all you have to do is to come to facebook.com. When I come to Facebook, I search on weight loss. So as you can see, there are a bunch of groups. So when I search on that, so click on groups. Once you click on groups, you have hundreds of groups that you can find thousands of people inside those particular groups. Check it out guys. This one says easy weight loss tips without exercise, natural weight loss support, strictly weight loss, daily weight loss tips, weight loss. And this group has about 91,000 members. This one has about 159,000 members. So these are all potential people that you can literally go and share your ebook with them, interact with people in the group first before sharing your link. So tell them that you have a free ebook. There is no any you are not collecting any of their email, because nowadays people are actually wise. They think if you are sharing something to them, you want to collect their information. Just be open to them, tell them that you don't need any of their, there is no any strange attack, you are just sharing with them. It help you and you think it will help them too. So be open to them, tell them the truth. You see that most of the people will actually be 100% okay to download your ebook. Check it out guys. This group, just 21,000 members, is having about more than 300,000 posts a day. Is that crazy? So that's to show you the advantage or the opportunity for you to get an eyeballs to your link, download link. So, and as you can see, you can literally get paid $7 depending on which country these people are coming from. Remember, we are just using free traffic, so we can't actually target these people because the groups are not made based on country. So as you can see, that's actually how you can make money with Up4ever.org. But to recap what I just did, all you have to do, come to Up4ever.com, create an account, go to idplr.com, find, it doesn't have to be weight loss, any niche, internet marketing, weight loss, gardening, whatever, digital marketing, anything. You can come here and search for free content, upload it to Up4ever.com, go to Facebook groups and search on those related groups, join them and start giving value and share this free ebook to them. Be open to them and tell them that it's free, you are not collecting any of their information. Once you do that, you see that people will start downloading your content and you are getting a pay from it. But guys, here is the thing: if you don't want to do all these kind of things, you don't want to waste your time actually just going around on Facebook doing this, download this and that, you want to make sure you want to create a full-time passive income online, be sure to check the first link in the description of this YouTube video, which is my #1 recommendation on how you can make money online. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, you did get some value out of it. If you get value, don't forget to smash that like button, hit the bell notification on so you get notified whenever I release a brand new video. So that's it for today's video. See you in the next video.